Do you feel shy when you try to speak English? Do you feel your mind becomes quiet and the words do not come out? Maybe you know some words, but you are afraid to speak. It is okay. You are not alone. Many learners feel this way. Today, we will go slowly, step by step, and you will speak little by little. Welcome to Calm Step English. I am very happy you are here. This is a safe place. You can learn slowly. You can speak without fear. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Let's learn together. Today, we will learn 50 easy English sentences. You can use these sentences every day. At home, at a cafe, at a shop, with friends. These sentences are simple, but very useful. We will practice slowly. You will listen, and you will speak. Let's start with some easy sentences. Listen carefully. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? My name is... Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from... Can you help me? Please? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I am sorry. It's okay. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. I am hungry. I want food. I like coffee. I need water. Where is the toilet? How much is this? That is too expensive. I will take this. Do you have this? Yes, we have it. No, we don't have it. I am tired. I need rest. I am happy. I feel good. I feel sick. I have a headache. Can I sit here? Please wait, just a moment. I am coming. Let's go. See you later. Goodbye. Have a nice day. What do you want? I want this. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it. That's good. That's okay. I can try. Good job. Now we will speak together. Listen and repeat. I will speak slowly. You repeat after me. Hello. How are you? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine. Thank you. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. How much is this? How much is this? I want this. I want this. Where is the toilet? Where is the toilet? I feel tired. I feel tired. See you later. See you later. Very good. You are speaking step by step. Now, let's see a small conversation. Listen carefully. Person A. Hello. How are you? Person B. I am fine. Thank you. Person A. What do you want? Person B. I want coffee. Person A. Okay, please wait. Person B. Thank you. Now, let's try again. Listen and repeat. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I want coffee. Please wait. Thank you. Good. Very good. Now, it is your turn. I will ask you. You answer. Take your time. What is your name? Say, my name is... Where are you from? Say, I am from... Are you happy today? Say, yes, I am happy. Or no, I am tired. What do you want now? Say, I want coffee. Or I want water. Very nice. You are doing well. Now, Imagine this. You are in a small cafe. It is quiet. It is calm. You feel a little nervous, but you try. You walk to the counter. You smile and say, "Hello." The worker smiles. "Hello. How are you?" You say, "I am fine. Thank you." Then you say, "I want coffee, please." The worker says, "Okay, please wait." You say, "Thank you." You did it. You spoke English. Slowly, but clearly. This is real life. This is your progress. Now, a small tip. Every day, practice 5 sentences. Only 5. Speak them slowly. Repeat again and again. You can practice in your room. You can speak alone. That is okay. Also, listen and repeat. Your voice is important. Let's repeat again, slowly. I can try. I can speak. I am learning. Please help me. Thank you. See you later. Again. One more time. I can try. I can speak. I am learning. Very good. You are improving. You are doing something very important. You are trying. You are speaking. It is okay to be slow. It is okay to make mistakes. Step by step, you will grow. You will feel more confident. You can do it. Slowly, calmly. If you like this lesson, please like this video. And subscribe to Calm Step English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. Now tell me, which sentence do you like the most? Write in the comments. I will read it. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.